Hi, so today we're going to talk more about beginning blends. And remember, these are our L blends, and they're two letters that come together to make one sound. But if I'm saying all of the sounds in the word, I can take them apart and hear two different sounds. So the first one we're going to look at is b-ul, bull, block, k-ul, coal, clock, f-ul, full, flag, g-ul, goal, glasses, p-ul, pull, plane, s-ul, soul, slide. So yesterday we talked about some b-ul, bull blends. Today we're going to talk about k-ul, coal blends. So here we have k-ul. So if I want to write the word clog, I would write k-ul, g. So k-ul makes one sound, but we need two letters. All right, let's try another one. All right, we're going to look at, this is cluck. Let's say the sounds k-ul, cluck. I hear that CK at the end. So I'm going to start with k-ul. I'm going to start with C-k-ul, and then CK, two letters, but they make one sound. So sometimes two letters we can separate. Sometimes they stay together as one sound. So part of reading and growing when we get into first grade is knowing when we can pull apart sounds and when we hear them as one sound together. All right, this is cluck. Let's look at the next one. All right. Change it over. There we go. This is a club. Maybe some of you like to play mini golf or go golfing. So we are going to say all of the sounds in the word club. K-ul. There's that blend. Club. Club. Okay, so I'm going to start with my k-ul. One sound. Kul. B. Club. Club. Good job. Okay. Next one we're going to look at. This is a clip. I want you to try and write clip by yourself. Okay, let's hear the sounds together. K-ul, I, p, clip. So we're going to start with k-ul. There's that coal. I, p. Good job. And this is a C. I know it looks a little bit like a G, but it's a C. There we go. Coal, I, p, clip. All right, the last one we're going to practice is clock. So let's hear the sounds in the word clock. K-ul, k, CK at the end. Clock. All right, we're going to start with our coal blend. K-ul, k-ul, coal, k, CK. One sound. Clock, clock. Good job. This is what I'd like you to think about. What are some other cool or bull blends that you could practice writing or reading? All right, excellent job, families and kinder friends, working on our blends.